In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a weather calendar to your Google Calendar. This useful feature will let you seamlessly integrate weather information into your existing schedule, giving you the convenience of having it all in one place. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to choose a weather calendar source. For this demonstration, we're using Weather in Calendar, a popular option that provides reliable and easy access to weather data. Head over to their website to get started. Once there, you'll be prompted to enter your city. This is important because it ensures that the weather data you'll receive is specific to your location. After entering your city, you'll find options to adjust your preferences, such as choosing between Celsius or Fahrenheit for the temperature units. Take a moment to set these preferences according to your needs. After you've reviewed and set your desired preferences, you will see an option to generate a calendar link. Don't worry, this is quite simple. The link should automatically copy to your clipboard, making it ready for the next step. Now we move on to integrating this weather calendar into your Google Calendar. Navigate to your Google Calendar by logging into your account. Once you're in, look towards the upper right corner of the page where you'll see the familiar gear icon, which stands for Settings. Click on this icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you want to select Add Calendar, then choose the option that says From URL. Now, with the URL you copied from the Weather in Calendar website, you can proceed to paste it in the space marked URL of Calendar. This will effectively import the weather data into your Google Calendar. To finalize and save this handy addition, simply click Add Calendar. Once completed, your Google Calendar will now include weather updates based on the city and preferences you set earlier. This addition enhances your calendar by giving you easy access to up-to-date weather information. With everything all set up, you can now see the weather forecast integrated into your daily, weekly, or monthly view, allowing you to plan your events with the weather in mind. Remember, having this information at your fingertips can be incredibly helpful, especially when planning outdoor activities or travel. It's as convenient as it gets, having weather data appear automatically alongside your scheduled events. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully added a weather calendar to your Google Calendar. Enjoy the newfound synergy and ease it brings to managing your daily plans. Thanks for watching, and until next time, enjoy a more organized and informed scheduling experience.